Welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Alice, and today we'll be doing a K-pop look from the recent collaboration of BlackPink and Selena Gomez. And I'm going to do this one with all the, can you focus? With the pink, purple, and green. We're gonna do Jennie's BlackPink look. And here we go. Wow, I really wish this camera had bad quality because all my imperfections are showing into the video. What can I do? I am breaking out, and you can call it maskne. I call it school acne, stress acne. So right now we're gonna start with a primer for the eyes. Next, I'm going to use a concealer for my entire eyelid. So I'm gonna choose a very light concealer, just so that it's as the whitest canvas as possible, because it's really pastel-y. The colors are very pastel-y. So I'm gonna do that. So in the look, it's green on the outside, purple in the middle, and pink in the inner corners. And I don't think I see a transition color on her. I don't think I do, but we will do it anyways. I'm gonna use this color. It's kind of like just a slightly darker beige. Using a fluffy brush, dusting it off. I'm just gonna sweep it over the crease. Just so that it has some depth. So after doing that, I'm going to get a purple color. It's a very pastel purple. So I have the color also, this right here, this purple. So I'm gonna use that purple. I lied, I'm not using that purple. I'm gonna get the white. I'm gonna get this white. I'm just gonna pat it on the center of my lids. Okay, so we're gonna get the purple. And we're gonna put that in the center of our lids. Ooh. 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 I look crazy. Oh my god. I look insane. So whack right now. I'm gonna take a screenshot. So whack. Okay, next is the green. So I have this green. I have this green and this green. I'll probably use both of them. Do the same for the other side. I either look really whack or I'm just not as pretty as Jennie. She brings it down. Just a little bit. Oh my god. the pink in this right here.
Yeah.
You probably think I'm crazy. Oh my god. Do I know what I'm doing? I don't think so. Do I think I knew what I was doing before this video? Yeah. Now do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. I look insane. I look like a clown. It's not that bad, Alice. Why are you so hard on yourself? It is not that bad. It's actually so bad. Oh my god, it's so bad. And then I am going to grab a slightly fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend the color. Blend them fit into each other. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. I am not mad at it. I am going to use a small brush. I'm going to get the shimmeriest pink I have, which is probably this one or this one. But I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna put it in the center. Not in the center, but in the corners. Yeah, that's now I need to use my Handy Dandy smudge brush and get this color, and it's like a slightly redder taupe color. Yeah. And I'm going to put it under my eyes. Oh, I don't know what it's called, but it's this angled brush. Angled fluffier brush, not the angled eyebrow brush or eyeliner brush. Alright. And get some more pink. And just bring it to this side. Okay. That's all. Okay. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm going to do the rest of my face. Her eyebrows are very straight. So I'm gonna do that too. And her eyeliner is very like, looks great. I don't like it when, because my eyelids are kind of extra hooded in here, and if I put a single eyelash and if I glue something there, it's not going to stay. It's just gonna flap around and push it off. I always cut them so that they fit not in there. Nothing should be there anyways. And I'm going to curl them and then put on mascara. Alright, either leave it at this, or you can go ahead and put on mascara. I'm just gonna use the Skinny Mascara by Innisfree. I'm going to... Oh, recently I got a sectional eyelash curler. But it's actually quite scary because it like I get so scared for poking myself in the eye. But I am going to curl my lower lashes. Does anybody else do this? Am I the only one? Now I'm going to grab the Skinny Mascara and I am going to do it in the bottom lashes. There was a lot of hype for this mascara and I don't think it does my lashes too much justice. I think it lengthenize, like it really does. Like your lashes look a lot longer, but it doesn't really do too much for volumizing for my lashes. Okay, and I see that my waterline is freaking out of control, so I will be tightening. I used to lift up my eyelid and I just got used to it. Like I trust myself now. I used to lift it up and go like that, but I'm good now. Alright, so now I'm gonna zoom back out and do the rest of my face. It looks pretty good when it's zoomed out. Let me just do my hair and I'll be back. Alright, let's do some last bit of touch up. Yeah. Like a nudish rouge. Wow, it looks a lot brighter on camera, but it's really not. Oh my god. I put on watermelon earrings because she had cherry earrings, and I have cherry earrings, but they're long. But I wanted them to be shorter, like these ones. So I wish I had ears that were smaller. Let me close my eyes for you to see. I legit look like a clown in the beginning, didn't I? Oh my god. But now I look pretty good. It looks pretty okay. Thanks guys for watching. This is the final result, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like if you did, and comment below what I should do next, and subscribe to this channel because I have many more to come. School is also starting, so it's gonna be a little bit more difficult for me, but I will try my best to do really good and continue on with this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye!